Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Tzatziki sauce easy updated. Start by grating and draining 1 cucumber, then squeeze out excess water into a towel. Combine 1 cup plain Greek yogurt with the cucumber, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix gently, taste, and chill for at least 30 minutes for flavors to meld before serving with bread or grilled meats. Want to tweak the classic Tzatziki? Try swapping herbs like fresh dill or mint to tailor the flavor to your meal. Stir in 1 teaspoon red wine vinegar or a splash more lemon for sharper acidity. For a smoky twist, add a pinch of smoked paprika or a dash of ground cumin. Always taste and adjust salt and acidity, then rest the sauce so the flavors marry together before serving with warm pita or roasted vegetables. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, long-lasting scent that pairs perfectly with trips to pick up fresh ingredients. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Serve your Tzatziki chilled for the best contrast with hot mains and crunchy sides. Spoon into a shallow bowl, add a drizzle of olive oil, and sprinkle chopped dill or mint for a fresh appearance. Use it as a dip for veggies or pita, or dollop on grilled lamb, chicken, or roasted eggplant. Keep leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days and give it a quick stir before plating to revive the texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.